smell turkeys brewing at Severna Park Lanes? I do. Hi, I'm Wiley Baker with another edition of Athletes in Action with the Broadneck Bruin Unified Bowling Team. Let's go knock down some strikes and spares with the squad and head coach Ross Steinley. There's a special history rolling with these Broadneck bowlers.
There was a lot of continuity between Clay's team and this team. The kids are wonderful. We have a huge population of fantastic kids at Broadneck. They're very excited about bowling, so I just got to step into this ready-made, amazing program.
Coach White was actually the reason I started bowling. I fractured my back coming into my freshman year, so I was a swimmer, but I kind of had to quit that, and Coach White made me the manager of the bowling team because I obviously couldn't bowl with a back brace, so I just came to all the practices. I got to write down all the scores, and then he got me bowling when I was better, so he really kind of turned around my freshman year for the best and made me a part of the bowling team. And then with Coach Steinley coming on, he's a really great coach. I don't think we could have asked for anyone better after Coach White leaving.
Coach White, I really have no words. Actually, I get really emotional.
Yeah, we all do.
He really changed my life. Actually, I'm big into lacrosse too, and he actually gave me the lacrosse medal when the boys won.
We do have one of the biggest teams, and I think that's something that's really helpful because we're able to create just a large environment of just a lot of people, whether they're bowling or not bowling or just helping out. It's just everybody's here to have a good time.
These two coaches are very great. They've been supporting us and watching us throughout the years. That's been very great.
The friendships, bonds, and team relationships grew strong for this Bruin team.
That's always been a tradition. We started as the Unified Sports began, and our kids make lasting, lifelong relationships with each other. That's the goal of Unified Sports, or one of the top goals of Unified Sports, and our kids have been doing that for a long time. It's part of the culture, part of the tradition, and that continues to go on with our freshmen who are coming.
So we've been a trio since it was these two's freshman year. We always bowl on this last lane over here, and we've really been trying to get Faith to have some higher scores since Hannah and I aren't really the best bowlers here. We're just here to mostly help out with the kids and just bring some more positive energy to the team. And Faith's been doing a lot better this past 2 years than her freshman year, which we've really made a lot of progress.
It sucked.
Yeah, freshman year.
But talk about how have you gotten better there?
I've been getting better from the coach's help and my teammates.
So we were close, friends before. I was close with Faith and I was close with Lexi, but then we all came together, and now we're just best friends, and it's fun in bowling and outside of school.
So we're all three of us are captains on the team. We're probably the two best partner at bowlers, best athlete bowler. We just work well together and we both fun together.
I'd say it's probably a good feeling, when you see anybody just strike, and that's something that happens a lot between the three of us, and it's a great feeling to watch when it happens because it looks good and it's awesome and everybody just gets excited, and you'll hear a lot of people just cheering, and it's just a great time.
It's very good. These guys get a bunch of strikes recently, a lot. It's very, very high.
With a good focus on the lanes, these Bruins know they must have straight aim in the classroom as well.
Mostly it's student athlete, student comes first, the grades come first. You just always got to keep that in mind.
All our kids play by the same rules as all our other athletes. They got to be here all day. We have one of the most stringent attendance policies in athletics in the county. They all adhere to the policy with grades. Everybody has to have a 2.0 average. We have an amazing array of amazing students, AP classes. We have artists. We have kids who are athletes in other sports. Just a great collection of kids.
There has been a bear hug of support towards the Unified Bowling Squad at Broadneck.
We walked out of the building today to get on the bus, and all of the students who were there to do workouts for spring sports and fall sports, they high-fived every kid as they walked out to get on the bus today. So yeah, everybody knows about the Unified Sports. They're not a secret in our school. And when the kids wear their uniforms on game day, they are treated as every other athlete. I see kids in the hall, I see kids getting high fives from people. People are telling them good luck, have a great game.
I see Mikey a lot in the hallway, and we'll always just, give high fives throughout the day. And I see Dom, I'll give him a fist bump. It's just kind of get each other motivated, like what's coming later in the day.
Like, it's very good. It's like a very great day to have county champs for today. Even though like 3 of us are gonna have our last one together, it's been a really nice long journey together.
It is so cool. I love our team. They're all so fun and energetic, and we see each other in the hallways. We're like, go bowling! Like, we love being a team, and there's not a single person that I would say like isn't 100% committed and loves the sport.
1, 2, 3.
Go Bruins!
1, 2, 3.
Go Bruins!
Thanks for tuning in. I'm Wiley Baker. In honor and memory of my mom, Dee Baker, I'll talk to you on the court, on the field, on the air, or maybe even on the lanes with another edition of Anne Arundel County Public Schools Athletes in Action.